Welcome. Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. In this video I'm going to show you how to make corn potato chowder with my twist by adding cornmeal dumpling. So the first thing to do is to render the fat from the bacon. Now the bacon is optional. After that I'm going to add onion, carrots and sweet pepper. Saute those ingredients in the bacon fat for approximately 2 minutes. Remove the ingredients and add flour. But the flour with the fat that remained in the pot will do would make a roux, followed by stock. Now the stock that I'm using is vegetable stock, but you could also use chicken stock, beef stock, or if you don't want the stock or don't want stock into your soup, you can add water. What I forgot to tell you as well is that I reserve some of the stock to blend with quarter of the corn kernel to make a puree. That puree will now be added into the soup. Now for the dumplings. So the final thing to do now is to season the soup with salt, black pepper, hot pepper, and also adding in heavy cream. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell on YouTube. You can also leave a comment on what type of soup you like. If you've seen this video on Instagram or Facebook, don't forget to become a follower. See you on the next video.